She wasn't ready.
All right, y'all, this is it. And we've got some NBA greats ready to play a little pickup. Y'all ready? Our first team goes by the name of the Ballers. And on the other end, taking them on will be the Ringers.
Acting always well, baby could happen. She leave the back seat just in the Magnum. Hopped out the Magnum, hopped in the tray just to let the top back and thank God for the day.
Kyrie Irving, that's you.
Last year, Dylan, still in the streets.
It's good. The Ballers' first point. The chosen one. 15-6. That was a dime and a half. No good for beyond the arc.
Fresh out of jail already in your
All started with that shot. Long distance charge made live. Kyrie Irving. It's pretty. 3 points for the Ringers.
Got the biggest star, Spanish bras, no bra. Call it other lane for the walks in the parks. Ain't come to play games, I just wanna play my cards. Tell your girlfriend to come talk with my dog. We straight G's and we came hit a ball. Bottle at the bottle.
Can't connect.
Got them all, then we out to that Chevy and taking off. Baby, slow it down, cause you're moving too fast. Too fine to be moving too fast. Back to the thuggin', now I'm sipping scissor. All my chickens love it, baby, that's my wizard.
That one's out of bounds.
I don't smoke 2800 for the izzard. I'm the biggest boss that you seen thus far. You can tell by the shows that's standing by the car. Got a fresh line up, yeah, fresh.
Minute. Oh, foul! LeBron James. That's good. 4 for the Ringers now. You know it. And the miss. Hits the jet. SWAT team. Over the line. Kyrie Irving gets the bucket. Scores! The Ballers are up to 8 points. It's good by Durant. Oh, call that. No good on the layup. LeBron James. Back. Ringers ball. Out of bounds. The hammer. Oh, Misses the shot. Misses there. Durantula. The Ballers have 11 points. LeBron James gets it to go. Nails the jump shot. Go! Russell Westbrook rocking the rim. LeBron James got it. The Ringers have 10 points. Off target. And that's a kickball, man. You gotta watch them big feet. He can't be stopped. Out of bounds. Kyrie Irving. Counter. Off target from outside. That's out. Ball is ball. Schwackums. That brings the Ballers up to 14 points. LeBron unloads on the bucket with a huge slam. Bang! Kyrie Irving drops it in. That's right. Good. Cash with the jam. Rocks the cradle on that one. Russell Westbrook. It's in. The Ballers have 18 points. Durantula makes the jam. Oh, you gotta come stronger than that. Yeah! The ball is at 20. All they need is one more. Unstoppable dynasty. And that'll do it, folks. That'll do it. Oh, yeah. The ball is all about winning. All right, everybody. Good game. Great show. Thanks for coming out. It's been a pleasure. Thank you. Good night.